Are you curious about what electronics to take on your next adventure? Perhaps you're going on a road trip to the national parks throughout the US, or you're headed to an exotic location. Well, this video is top 15 electronic items that I bought on Amazon that I take with me on every trip. Let's go ahead and get started with some phone electronics and phone accessories. Number one is this AirFly. This is incredible. This is a Bluetooth mechanism that you can actually plug in to the old-fashioned plugs at the back of your neighbor's seat to watch a movie. So you can have your AirPods in and you can be using this. Again, this needs to be charged, but this is an incredible thing to have with you so you're not using those terrible cheap earphones that are provided by the airlines. If you do not want to spend $150 on the AirFly, you can always buy these earphones, the old school on Amazon with the old style plug for about $19. This is also great because on some flights, they will require you to turn in the earphones before you land. If you have your own, you can listen and watch the movie until you land and get to your gate. So these are perfect. If you're going to get an AirFly, then I definitely recommend these. These are the second generation noise canceling earbuds. It is so important when you're flying to have noise canceling earbuds. The reason for that is, think about in the middle of the night when you're asleep and you hear a tiny noise that wakes you up. Well, think about how terribly you sleep on the airplane anyway. Without the noise canceling headphones, you are going to be hearing every single person that walks by, gets up, your neighbor, everything. So make sure that you buy the earbuds that are the noise canceling. These are amazing. I could never live without them. The next item I recommend taking on any trip, especially if you do video or a lot of photographs and use your phone a lot, is bringing a backup bank charger. I love the Anchor. This is this one. This will have both the USB, the USB-C. It is amazing and it'll charge your phone multiple times. It is a little bit on the heavy side, but honestly, I feel that this particular one is well worth the investment and the weight to bring with you. This one is great. I love it. There is no need to write any of these products down because I've left all of the links from Amazon in the description below. And also, if you're curious, I have been to more than 65 countries and lived in 5, and most of the time I travel for free. How do I do that? Well, I use my credit cards to travel for free. And if you're interested in checking out my favorite credit cards, including the Chase Preferred and a few my American Airlines as well, you can also see those in the description below. Check out all of the great plans and all of the great bonuses for signing up for these credit cards. Let's continue on the items that we need for our phone. These next 3 items are exactly electronics, but they're for your phone, so I'm considering them electronics. Number 1 is this baby tripod. This is amazing. You can set this up, you can set your phone in here, set it on the ground, and use this as a tripod anywhere in the world. Set it on a table, on a ledge, whatever, it works perfectly. To be honest, this is actually used for us ladies. You can hang your purse on this at a table. So just as an FYI, dual use on this. This is another thing. This is called an Octobuddy. All you have to do is put your phone, the back of your phone on this. I haven't pulled the tape off yet. Put it on here, and then you can stick this on any wall, anywhere, on a refrigerator or anything, to be able to take photos of yourself or film, etc. So this Octobuddy, it's the dream, it's the bomb. And speaking of the third style of tripod thing, this is my favorite tripod that I carry with me everywhere. It fits in my backpack. It's very lightweight and it extends like, I believe 54 inches. It's huge. It is amazing. I have been so happy with this. It's perfect. Easy to go from horizontal to vertical. It's perfect. It's my favorite. It's actually, I have had 3 of these tripods because, again, they're not expensive, so they don't last super long, but they're so worth the $25 to have on your next trip. The next thing, this is the latest generation of the Kindle. It's a new one. It's the white paper that I just ordered for myself. This way, you are never bored wherever you are, whether you're on a train, plane, or automobile. It's perfect to have a Kindle to have all the books that you want to read. So this is the latest version. So again, in the description below, especially if you're going to need a present sometime soon, get this latest one. So this is a final accessory, electronic accessory for your phone. This is a Bluetooth clicker to take a photograph. This way you're not putting your phone on your tripod, the one I just recommended, of course, and then putting on the 10 seconds and running away and trying to pose. This way you can set up your phone, your tripod, and just go to the other end, stand there, kind of hide this behind your back, put your hand on your hip, and just click away and take all the photos that you want. This has been a lifesaver. I just love this little toy, and it's so small it fits in your pocket. Now let's talk about a couple of things that are good for your luggage. Number one is a luggage scale. This is amazing. There is nothing worse than getting to the airport and your luggage is like 1 or 2 pounds overweight. You're having to open it up in front of everybody, organize everything, move stuff around, give it to your friends, whatever. It's great to have also when you're coming home because it's very common that you have bought too many things and your luggage is definitely overweight on the way home. The next item for your luggage is an Apple AirTag or a Tile if you're an Android user. These are incredible. I tend to have one of these in my checked luggage, one in my carry-on, one in my backpack. I actually carry an AirTag with me in my purse wherever I am. That way I know where my luggage is at all times. This is an amazing little contraption, and this actually is a case that I have, and I'll also link this little case in the description below. If you want to enjoy some music while you're traveling, I recommend bringing a portable speaker. The JBL is a brand that I use all of the time, and this is my new favorite one. It's so fun. It comes in different colors, has a little hook, it's waterproof, it's made of rubber, it is sturdy, it is strong, and it packs up really, really small in your suitcase. So even if you're going carry-on only, it is small enough that it won't take up too much room. I love this little JBL, so cute. Great for the beach, great for any travels. Don't laugh at the next couple of items. They're very, very important. Next is a toothbrush, an electric toothbrush. This is a Philips. It plugs in with a USB. This little guy is absolutely perfect. It's just portable enough, and you know I use an electric toothbrush all the time, but I don't want to take that entire contraption with me. So this little guy is perfect for travel. My little toothbrush also has a friend. This is called Brill, and this is a UV light. You just open it up and you put your toothbrush in there and it kills all the bacteria and everything that gets nasty on your toothbrush. This little guy is great. So pair these two together and you are going to stay healthy on your entire trip. Okay, maybe not, but it's a great way to start being healthy on your entire trip. The last couple of items are necessary for if you have a lot of electronics and if you're traveling internationally for this one. This is my converter and charger for everything in a foreign country. Very compact, very easy to use. The different prongs come out. I can plug in everything I want here. It is a great one. It also has a couple of USB and USB-C. This one is great. I love this one a lot. Also, when I'm traveling just to Europe, I use this little guy because most of the time you don't need a converter for, now this is not for your hair dryer, people, this is just for your phone, etc. But I can just use this in any European plug, not in the UK, just Europe. And I have a regular 3-prong USB and USB-C as well as a 2-prong. I actually have 2 of these for when I travel in Europe. I can put one in the bathroom and one next to my bed. But remember, you are going to need a converter most of the time if you're going to use a hairdryer. Also, when I travel, guys, don't bring a hairdryer. You're likely to blow it up anyway. So these 2 things are really, really great to have. If you have a recommendation for an electronic item for my next trip, please leave them in the comment below because I'm always looking for new toys. Also, if you would like, check out this video just here on other Amazon finds for your next trip. I'm Kim, the Abundant Traveler, and I can't wait to see you on a trip very soon in some exotic location. Thanks so much and see you on the next video.